Okay, I'm just finished shopping and I got a bunch of stuff to fit in the fridge. Oh no, oh no. I think I lost my fridge. I know that it's impossible to lost my fridge, but my house is just too big. So I lost my fridge. Don't worry. I could save you with the Season 6 Shopkins Chef Club Nice and Icy Fridge. Yes, that's how we save gemstones Shopkins. And let's get cutting. Yes. Or we can check out the packaging first. Okay. Find your Shopkins and create your favorite dish. Oh, just look at the top. It's so cute. I know it's upside down. The coolest fridge in Shopville. Chill with your Shopkins on the shelf or slide out the freezer drawers to store more. When your Shopkins are ready to cook, open the pantry and take a look. There are so many ways to play and display. Display with the Shopkins Chef Club fridge. Okay. And now for real, let's get cutting. And now we unbox the fridge. Oh, why there's something dirty here? Oh no, did you see that? Don't worry, I can wash it, I think. Okay, let's start with the Shopkins. Let's take them out. Sorry, do you hear the background noise? I mean, it's so annoying. Just pop them out without let you seeing the code down there. Okay, you can't see. Okay, and this is Pinky Frosting. And this is Choco Frost. Okay, and let's just store them in the fridge. Oh, okay. There's a rubber band here. Oh my gosh. I'm so I'm so silly. Oh, there's 3 strawberries right there. Do you see that? And let's just put them right here. And this one does not have the strawberries or chocolate. And the ice tray with the cutest little Shopkins ice cubes. Okay, let's just put it in. It is just so cute. Just look at how cute that is. And even put the ice cubes in. It's just so cute. I never seen something like this before. It's just too cute. I mean, look at that. And let's just put it right here. And the recipe book. And I can't let you see the mystery dish just right here. I can't open it for you guys. Okay, and then let's close it up and help Gemma store her Shopkins in here. I hope it fits. Why did I close it? I'm so silly. I can put the ice cream sandwich right there. And the banana split right there is actually a headband. Headband, yeah. And right here we can store something as well. Let's just store 3 ice creams in here. Awesome. And nothing here for now. And what can we store in the pantry? Gemma, do you have anything else? Actually, yes. I bought something else as well. And I think I need to store them. Like Ronnie Honey. Pinky Cola's Cola. Pinky Cola. Pinky Cola. Pinky Cola's Pinky Cola. Get it? A little candy. And lastly, can you guess what is that? That is a Dolly donut. Yes, it's a Dolly donut. Let's just fit on there and close it up. I guess it's ready. Okay. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Bye!